Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Mailchimp. This feature is incredibly useful for longer newsletters or emails where you want readers to quickly jump to specific sections that interest them most. Let's get started with this straightforward process. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Login button and enter your credentials to access your Mailchimp account. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your campaigns and email content. Now click on Create, and from the options that appear, select Email. This will start the process of building a new campaign. You'll be presented with different campaign types, so choose the one that fits your needs, and then select a template that matches your email style and purpose. Once you've made your selection, click Begin to move forward with your design. At this stage, you'll want to add or select the content blocks where your main sections will appear. These are the areas where you'll create headings that will populate your table of contents. For each section you want included in the table of contents, type your heading text into the appropriate content block. Then click on the text block and look for the Style drop-down menu. From there, select either Heading 2 or Heading 3 style. This formatting is crucial because Mailchimp uses these heading styles to automatically generate your table of contents. Next, click on the location where you want your table of contents to appear, which is typically at the top of your email just below your header or greeting. Insert a text block or paragraph block at this spot. This is where your clickable table of contents will live, giving readers a preview of what's inside your email. Inside this block, scroll down to the bottom of your merge tag options and look for the table of contents merge tag. Insert this merge tag into the block. When your email is sent, Mailchimp will automatically replace this merge tag with an actual table of contents that links to all the headings you formatted earlier. This creates an interactive navigation experience for your readers. Before you finish, review your email carefully to ensure all your headings are correctly formatted and positioned exactly where you want them. This step prevents any broken links or missing sections in your table of contents. Once everything looks good, click Save and close to save your email content. And there you have it, you've successfully added a table of contents to your Mailchimp email, making it much easier for your subscribers to navigate through your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.